Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cook with Anaira. Today we're going to make chicken biryani. Make sure you like, share and subscribe and stay till the end because I'm going to share some Kashmiri poetry with you. You can take a screenshot. The process has begun. The oil that I've taken is the same oil in which I have already fried the onions, and now I add in the spices along with the chicken. Now add the fried onions. I had already fried the onions, and here goes red chilies, salt and turmeric powder along with the ginger garlic paste and some lemon juice and some more lemon juice and freshly chopped coriander and green chilies. Here is a cup of thick curd, and now we will mix it properly, ensuring that all the chicken pieces are covered in the mixture, and we'll let it sit for half an hour. Meanwhile, let's cook our rice. The rice that I've taken here, it's called double chabi basmati rice in Hindi. To make sure that you wash it properly, add the water, a bit of salt, some green and black cardamom, some cloves, black pepper, cinnamon, bay leaves, a bit of oil, freshly chopped coriander if you want, and then cook it for 20-30 minutes till it's 70 to 80% cooked. Now let's grind some spices: green and black cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, black pepper. We will grind this and add to the chicken, and afterwards we will cook the chicken on medium to high flame. Keep stirring occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the pot. Here I've added some coriander seeds to the chicken, and you can see the texture of the rice is fine. And now I'm adding in the sliced tomatoes, and we'll cook this chicken for about 20 minutes till you'll see that the texture is soft and fine, and then you can start layering once the chicken is ready. While we are layering the rice and the chicken, I would like to share two of the couplets of Lal Ded's poetry. For those of you who don't know who Lal Ded is, she is a classic Kashmiri poetess, one of the greatest poets from Kashmir. Her poetry is very complex because she was also a mystic, and she had a vision beyond what eyes could see. The quatrain goes like this: Hachu hanje pichu kan gom, abak chan pyom yath razdane, mazbag bazras kulfurus van gom, tirthurus pan gom kusma jazane. For those of you who don't know Kashmiri, I cannot literally translate it for you because it's very complex and difficult. And I've just recently begun to read the classical literature. This is my attempt for you to ponder upon it and interpret it, and also connect with your parents and grandparents, because it's difficult and only our grandparents might know what these lines mean. So talk to them and let me know in the comments what the interpretation was. And our biryani is ready, and yes, you can enjoy the biryani. Do let me know how you like the biryani and the couplet. Thank you.